Welcome to the look ahead for Monday, the 6th of November with me, Fiona Cincotta, Senior Market Analyst at City Index. So kicking off with the earnings calendar, it is a little bit lighter on Monday. First thing to be watching will be Ryanair numbers here in Europe. So the first half results coming through. On the economic calendar, we'll be looking at German factory orders. Now, German factory orders are expected to fall by 1% month on month, and that was after they rose by 3.9% in the previous month. So this will be in August. Now, the data comes after manufacturing PMI data from Germany showed a deep contraction again in October, with data pointing to a prolonged downturn in the region. In addition to the German data, there'll be Eurozone and services and composite PMI figures for October, the final reading. These are both expected to confirm the preliminary readings, which show a deeper contraction. The data comes after Eurozone GDP figures showed a 0.1% contraction in the third quarter. If we do see these figures again come under 50 on Monday, then it will confirm that, the service sector and manufacturing sector are acting as a drag on the economy heading into the fourth quarter. Now, it's interesting just to take a look at the euro US dollar chart. Now, what we've seen this week, we've had the Federal Reserve keep interest rates on hold at 5.25 to 5.5%. And they also hinted that they were potentially at the end of their hiking cycle. Then after that, we also had US on-farm payrolls coming weaker than expected, which supported the Federal Reserve's more dovish view and stance. And as a result, we've seen that the euro has broken out of range against the US dollar. It's pushed up above that 106.90 resistance, which was the October high. Trading, it's hit resistance now. It's trading at the upper end of the rising channel. Now, if we did see a break above there, that would expose the 200 SMA at the 108 level. As far as support is concerned, I think 106.90 is going to be a level to watch. That's as I said, the October high, and a break below there could expose the 50 SMA at 630. At 106.30. So the other thing to watch as well that we have on Monday will be a speech from Bank of Japan Governor Ueda. And I think it's going to be really interesting to see what he has to say, especially when we think about what's been going on in the Japanese yen. So the yen's ran into resistance last at that 151.70 level, the highest level in 2023, and it rebounded lower. There's been the market's very much been on intervention watch as far as the yen is concerned, but it looks like the weakness in the US dollar now might be doing some of the work for the Japanese authorities. So we've seen the US dollar yen fall sharply lower. It's taken out the 20 SMA and it's heading towards a support there at 148.65, which would be the weekly low. If we do get a break below there, then we'll be looking at a support at 147.30, which would be the October low. As far as resistance is concerned, if we did see any recovery, then it would be looking to try and make a move over that 20 SMA. So that's all from me today. If you do like what you've been watching, then please do give us a like.